Alright, this is a Nas Escobar Cigars unboxing video. So I got the box here. I also have another package of some other cigars I ordered. Now first off, I am not a cigar aficionado. I am not a cigar expert, but I am a Nas expert, and I am a big fan of Nas, who happens to smoke the occasional cigar. So I had to support this endeavor by Nas, and let's see what we got here. So first off, open these loose ones. Of course, you got the Boveda pack, keep them fresh, you know. Little sticker on there. This is the Maduro. The natural. Handmade in Nicaragua. So let's check out the box. Very nice packaging. Looks like a package date, February 21st, 2022. Made in Nicaragua. EscobarCigars.com. Check them out. So let's open that bad boy up. It's a nice box there. Relentless perfection. Let's see if they're perfect or not. Boveda pack. Escobar natural cigars. No information on what we got in here. So there you go. This is the sampler pack. I believe it's $75 on their website, and you get one of each of their cigars that they offer. So the Robusto, the Distinguidos Romeo, the double Corona, the double Toro Gordo, and that big boy, that's a Churchill. That's massive. So I also ordered these separate ones, the natural and the Maduro. So that's what I got there. They did have a sale for July 4th. Buy one, get the second one half price. Like I said, I'm not the biggest cigar aficionado, but these look very good. I read great reviews on them. So, natural. Interesting. But, there you go. I like this box, you know. Very nice. Put this back in there. Close that up and save those for later. And there you have it. Escobar Cigars. Check them out. Let's go ahead and try out this Maduro.